Hello everyone. So today we will discuss the topic of grade 10th quadratic equations. You must familiar with the term quadratic equations in the chapter of polynomials. Now we will little differ into the concept of quadratic equations. So why exactly do you need to study about quadratic equations? Will the answer to the question lies in the fact that there are numerous different real life problems which can be solved with the knowledge of quadratic equations. Yes. So here, what is quadratic equation? It is an equation that contains at least one term that is square. Yes. So it is an equation at least one term that is squared. So for example, we will take here x square plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is called quadratic equation. Why? Because of that is squared here. Exponent is 2 is there. Its power is 2. So that's why you can call this one as a quadratic equation. So one more example I give here, that is x plus 1 is equal to 0. What it is? This is it quadratic equation? No. Why? Because its exponent is 1 is there. Its exponent 1 is there. So that's why this is not a quadratic equation. Then what it is? This is linear equation. So this one we can call as a linear equation. Yes, is there any difference between quadratic equation and this linear equation? Yes, difference is there. So what difference you can take here? So this is its exponent 2 is there, its exponent is 1 is there. Then, so this quadratic equation have two solutions, but in linear equations only one solution is there. So then, how that solution will come? We will check that out. So along with that, where we are going to use that out linear equation or that or quadratic equation. We will check that. Yes. So this here. So in day-to-day life, we are going to see this resemble of this parabola. A bridge is there, that can observe that. Water fountain also can observe that parabola. Yes, roller coaster is there. Here also we can observe that. Then rainbow. So this type of many real world problems can be solved using quadratic equations. Yes. So then, what is the standard form of quadratic equation? So here it is there. That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So where a, b, c are real numbers we will take. So here a is not equal to 0. Why? If it is a is equal to 0, so what will happen here? 0 into x square. So plus bx plus c is equal to 0 will come. If it is 0 into this x square, it becomes 0 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So now see, what we will get here? Bx plus c is equal to 0 we will get. So what it is? Bx plus c is a linear equation. So that's why can't take this one. A is not equal to 0. So you can take b as a 0, c as a 0, but you should not take a is not equal to 0. Yes. So this is called quadratic equations. A, B, C are real numbers. So we can take here. So this is standard form. Then, so examples of this quadratic equations. So what we can take here? X square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 is there, and 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0 we can take here. So here what is a? A is no number, what it shows? Here 1 is there, 1x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So it means here a is not equal to 0, a means 1 is there. Here it is a is equal to 2 is there. So these two are examples of our quadratic equations. So then, how to solve these quadratic equations? So actually there are four methods are there to solve the quadratic equations. Yes. So first one is factorization method, and second one is quadratic formula is there, and third one graph is there. Then complete the square. So that type of methods are there here. I'm going to show you only two methods here. So one is factorization method and another one using quadratic formula. So what it is here, factorization. So in factorization, so usually what it is factorize. For example, if you are going to take a number 6, I am going to take here. So what are the factors of 6? So you can take usually 1, 2, 3. These are the factors of 6. So then how you can write this one? Actually 6 is equal to 2 into 3 will write. So these are all factors, yes, but you can write in the form of product. Product of two factors, that is 2 into 3 will get 6. But actually 6, okay, if you want you can take here 1 also. 1 is also a factor of 6. If you are going to write 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 1, 6 only you will get. So you can write this like this. So if it is x cube, so how you can factorize this? X cube is equal to, you can show this one as x into x, like this you can write. So this is factorization. We are going to write that expression in the form of products. Yes. So here, show that, take, yes. So if it is like this, if it is in the form of x plus y bracket square. So how we can express this one? Actually this is x plus y bracket square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square will come. So but we can write this one as in the form of x plus y into x plus y. So we are writing it in the form of factorization. We are writing it in the form of products. So this one we can solve as a factorization. So next is that is quadratic formula. So we are going to use here directly the formula is there. So the formula is, yes. So formula we are going to take that x is equal to so minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Minus 4ac will take and whole divided by 2a. Directly we are going to use this formula in the quadratic formula. Yes. So let us solve one example here. So that is, find the roots of the equation x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0 is there. Then how to solve this? By factorization method. Okay. See here, the solution part, what we can take? Yes. Find the roots of the equations. Roots of the equations means that solution. How many solutions will you get in the quadratic equations? We will get 2 solutions in the quadratic equations. So that solutions will get by factorization method here. First method. So that is, we will take x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. So here what we have to do? Here x square is there, 10 is there. So x square minus 3x minus 10. X square is first term and 10 is last term is there. So then how we can do this? We have to multiply the first and last term. So this is middle term, x square and minus 10. So what will you get if you are going to multiply these two? X square into minus 10. So we will get minus 10x square. So we are going to multiply here. Here plus is there, plus x square into minus 10 is equal to, we will get minus 10x square. So now this 10x we have to split up. So how we should split up this one? So product of two numbers or two factors. So that two variables along with that coefficients, it should be 10x square. And if you are going to add that two factors, it should be minus 3x. So like that we have to take here. So 10x square is there. So product or the factors of 10, who can take here? 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So here 2 will take and 5. 2 5s are 10. That product will get here 10. But here negative sign is there. Then which one we have to take negative sign here? Here minus 3x is there. We need minus 3 when you are going to add or subtract these two terms, these two numbers and variables. So that time it should be minus 3. And that product also it should be minus 10x square. So here plus 2 plus 5 is there. If you are going to multiply these two, 2 5s are 10. We will get plus 10. But we want minus 10. Then which one we have to take here? Minus. Bigger sign we will take minus. Now see 2 5s are 10 we will get. 2 into minus 5 we will get minus 10. Then here x square is there. What we can do here? Here also x, here also x will get. So this is plus 2x into minus 5x. We will get minus 10x square. Then, so these two terms we can write. So how we can write? X square minus, this is plus 2x minus, so this is plus 2x is there, we write here plus 2x, then this one minus 5x is there. Then this term, that is last term, minus 10 is equal to 0, we will write as it is. Now say this. Here plus x square as it is, plus 2x and minus 5x is there. So in bigger we have to subtract this plus 2x, what do we get? These two are like terms. So in bigger we have to subtract plus 2x, we will get minus 2x. Then minus 10 as it is equal to 0 is it. Then continue. So now make this group, this first group and this is second group. So is there any common in these two, x square plus 2x? Yes, common is there. Which is common? X is common is there. X square is there, here x is there. So x square is x into x. So that's why we will take one x from this group. Then what left in bracket? So here x square means x into x, in that x already out. Then what left here? X left. Plus here 2x is there. So in that what we can take? Already taken x. So that what left here? 2 left. Then in this group which is common here, minus 5 is common. So we'll take this minus 5 here. After that what left here? So 5 is already outside. X we can write here minus or plus we will take here, because minus into plus minus we will get. So 10 means that is product of two factors, that is 2 5s are 10. So here 5 is there, what left here? 2 left is equal to 0 in cut. Now say this x plus 2 is there, x plus 2 is there. Now complete this equation you see. So we will get here x plus 2 in this term and here also x plus 2 common is there. Then take it out. X plus 2 will take. Then what left here? After taking this x plus 2 here, x as it is. Then minus 5 as it is equal to will take 0. Now say this x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 0 is there. Now x plus 2 is equal to 0 by this x minus 5. We will get 0 only. This is 1. First we are going to take this x plus 2 is equal to 0 and or one more condition, one more solution, that is x minus 5 is equal to what we can take here? 0 divided by x plus 2. What do we get? We get 0 only. So now say this x is equal to plus 2 will take towards right side. So that plus 2 becomes minus 2. Or so one more solution, that is x is equal to minus 5. So we have to take that side, it is right side. So it becomes plus 5. So we will get two solutions which are here, x is equal to minus 2 and another one x is equal to plus 5. That two solutions we get here. So this is quadratic equation. First only we discussed that quadratic equations will get two solutions. So that's why you can call this one as a quadratic equation. So for this same question we are going to solve by the formula method. Yes. So this here same question I am taking because at the end you can compare the solutions easily. Yes. Find the roots of the equation x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0 by using quadratic formula. Yes. So here very simple in solution. Can take. So we'll write this one as x square minus 3x x square minus 3x minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Yes, same equation I will put it here. So here we are going to compare this with our standard form. So what is standard form? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is there. Then now compare here. A means a is equal to what we can take 1 and b is equal to will take minus 3 and c is equal to will take minus 10. So along this side we have to take here. That is b not only 3 should take minus 3. Here c also says that is minus 10 will take. If it is plus 10 we can take directly 10. So our formula is x is equal to quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Yes. So this formula we are going to use to find the solution of a quadratic equation. Yes. So say here we have given x is there, x is equal to, will take as x is equal to. The formula we will put that value. So b minus b is there here, b is equal to minus 3 is there. First we will write minus as it is, then minus of minus 3 this one. Already minus is there as it is, then minus 3, that is b is equal to, then plus or minus square root of. So b square is what is here, minus 3 bracket square will take minus 4ac. So a means what here, a is 1 is there into c is minus 10. Yes, we'll write minus 10. Then whole divided by 2 into a is what here, a will take 1. Continue this. So here x is equal to, so minus into minus will get here plus 3. Then plus or minus square root of minus 3 square, that is square of minus 3 will get 9. Minus 3 into minus 3, minus into minus plus will get 3 into 3, 9. So here minus into minus again will get here plus. Now say this 4 ones are 4, 4 tens are 40 will get. So divided by 40. 4 divided by 2 into 1, so that is 2. Now we will continue here. X is equal to 3 plus or minus, yes, here this is plus or minus we will take here square root of. So 9 plus 40, that is 49. So whole divided by 2 will get. Yes, we will continue. Now yes, this is x is equal to 3 as it is we will write plus or minus here this is plus or minus 49 is there. So 49 square root of 49, square root of 49 is 7 will take. Yes, will write directly here 7 because of square root of this 49 is 7. So whole divided by 2 will get here. Then x is equal to, so that is 3 plus 7 divided by 2. 3 plus 7 whole divided by 2, or one more solution, that is x is equal to 3 minus 7 will take here. 3 minus 7 whole divided by 2. Why? Because here plus or minus 2 is there. So that's why one time we have to write plus 7 and one time we have to take minus 7. Now we will get that solution. X is equal to 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 divided by 2 will take. Or one more, that is x is equal to 3 minus 7. So minus 7 means here in bigger we are going to subtract this plus 3, we will get minus 4 whole divided by 2. Now x is equal to, so cancel these two. 2 ones are 2 5s I will get here, and here x is equal to, so this is one more solution, or we get here. Then 2 ones are 2 2s are, we will get here minus 2. So these two are solutions of a quadratic equation. Yes. So you can see here, this is x is equal to 5, then x is equal to minus 2. So in factorization method also we got the same values. So that is x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 5 also. So if you are going to use completing the square method or graph also, you will get the same result. Yes. So in the word problems, so how we can take that? Yes. So one word problem is there, we will discuss that also. Yes. See here, the sum of two numbers is 9 and the sum of their reciprocal is 1 by 2 is there. Okay. Solution. Yes. The sum of two numbers is 9 and the sum of their reciprocal is 1 by 2. Find their numbers. Sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers they have not mentioned. So then what numbers we have to take here? Yes. Sum of two numbers. We don't know that numbers. Then we can take here. Let the number be x will take. So one number can take x, but another one number, sum they have given. Sum is 9 is there. So 9 minus x, because already one number is there, that is x we are going to take here. Yes. So if one number is x, yes. If one number is x, then one more number we can take as a, so this we have to subtract in sum. Sum is here, 9 is there. So in that we can subtract, that is yes. So the another number B 9 minus 6, because already one number is x, so one number we have to subtract from the sum, then we will get the next number. So that's why we will take here 9 minus x. But what I have given here, sum is okay 9. The sum of their reciprocals is 1 by 2 is there. So then you have to write this in reciprocal form. Reciprocal is 1 by 2 is there. Find the numbers. Directly sum is 9 is there. But if it's reciprocal, if you are going to take that reciprocal, that time we will get 1 by 2. So then we'll write that one as 1 by x. This is reciprocal of x and plus y because of the sum. If sometimes difference of they make it. If difference of their reciprocal, that I will take negative here. Sometimes product of two reciprocal multiplication or quotient division. So like this will continue. So here sum is there, that's why we will take plus. Now, so 9 minus x, next number that is, we'll take that one as 1 by 9 minus x is equal to, what is the sum? Sum is 1 by 2 is there. We'll take here that 1 by 2. Yes. Now we can solve this. Yes. Here, this equation we got. We continue this. Now say this 1 by x is there plus 1 by 9 minus x is there is equal to 1 by 2 is there. We'll take the LCM of x into 9 minus 6. So what will come? We'll write this one. Yes, directly x into 9 minus x. Product of these two. That is the LCM. Then here 1 is there, numerator part, multiply this with 9 minus x. 1 into 9 minus x will get 9 minus x. Plus is there here because sum. Then 1 into here we are going to multiply by this denominator, that is 1 is there. So here x is there. So x into this 1, what do we get here? We will get x is equal to 1 by 2. Now see this here 9 minus x plus x is there. So both are different sign, like terms, but different sign is there. So then we can cancel easily. That is minus x plus x get cancelled. So what left here? 9. So 9 divided by x into bracket 9 minus x. So is equal to 1 by 2. Get right. But after that we can take this to this side and that x into 9 minus x will take that right side. Yes, we continue. So that is 2 will take here 9 into yes 9 into this 2 is equal to 9. This denominator we are going to take this side in left hand side, so it divides here. So 1 into this group, that is x into 9 minus x, it's nothing but same, x into 9 minus x only will come. So that's why I will take this one as directly x into 9 minus x. So now we will multiply this. 9 to the 18 will get is equal to. So multiply this, x into 9 will get 9x minus, here minus is there, that's why it will get minus, plus into minus, minus. Okay. Then see this, x into x, what will get here? X square. Now 18 is equal to 9x minus x square we got. Now we will take this, always that variables we are going to take right side only. So that's why we will take this 9x and minus x square will take to right side. We will take to left side. So that is minus x square becomes here. So that minus x square here becomes minus x square becomes here plus x square. Then plus 9x is there, it becomes minus 9x. Why? Because we are going to change that right side to left side. We are going to take this right side part terms into left side term. Not complete term. If you are going to take complete term, so that time that side will not change. If you are going to shift complete term, it means complete that expression 9x minus x square. If you are going to complete, it will not change that side. So taking 1 1, so minus x square, that is plus x square, plus 9x, it becomes minus 9x. So keep this 18 here only. So this is 18. This is equal to what will come? 0. Now see, after taking these two this side, what left here? 0 only. So that's why x square minus 9x plus 18. Then now we got this quadratic equation. So how to solve this? So we can use here two methods. One is factorization method or formula method. So first let us go to factorization method here. So we'll take this one, x square is there, minus 9x is there, plus 18 is there. So what we have to do here, first term and last term, that is x square into 18, we'll get here 18x square. So we can split this one. So see this, what we need here, product of two terms, that should be 18x square and if you are going to add or subtract, it should be 9x. So like that we need here. So what we can take here, 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. So here also plus is there, plus 3 plus 3, okay. Then x will get here also x. So what will come here? 6x plus 3x will get 18. But here what we need here? Minus x need. So then what we get here? So here 18x we need plus 18x, but here minus 9x is there. So that's why we take both are negative only. Minus 6x into minus 3x. Minus into minus we get here plus 6 3s are 18, x into x, x squared. Now we'll write this one as it is, minus 6 and minus 3x plus 18 is equal to 0. See this here, 9x we are splitting like this. Minus 6x and minus 3x. Both are having same sign, you can add, you will get the minus 9x. Here what it is, if you are going to multiply these two, you will get 18x squared. Now, say this term and these two groups. So this group, x is common, take it out. What left here? After taking x is there. Here x6 is there. This 6 will write here. Then minus. Say this 3 is there and 18 is there. So what we have to take here? Common 3 6 are 18. So that's why we will take 3 outside. So after taking 3, what left here? X is there. So here we need plus. So minus into minus we get plus. So that's why we take here 6 minus 6. So close the bracket is equal to 0. Now say this group x minus 6, here also x minus 6 is there. So then we will take common x minus 6. So after taking x minus 6 here, what left? X. So write here x. Here also x minus already taken outside. So what left here? Minus 3 left. Is equal to what? 0. Now x minus 6 is equal to 0, or what we can take here? X minus 3 is equal to 0. How it is? X minus 6 is equal to 0 by x minus 3, you get 0, or one more, x minus 3 is equal to 0 by x minus 6, you will get 0. Now we will continue. X is equal to minus 6 becomes plus 6 here. This is one solution, or and that one x is equal to minus 3 becomes plus 3. So this is x is equal to 3. So we got here two solutions. So how we are going to use this? See this here. The question what they have asked. The sum of two numbers is 9. What numbers we got? 6 and 3. So if you are going to add that 3 plus 6, we will get 9. So find the numbers. So therefore the numbers are, here we can write, at the end you can write the numbers are 6 and minus 3. So this is our solution. The numbers are the numbers are 6 and minus 3. So this is our solution. So we can solve like this. So we can solve the same example by using quadratic formula also. So this is our solution. Thank you.